Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Hera's Life and Journey. If you are new here, my name is Hera. I'm a 25-year-old budgeter living in Nevada and I work 2 jobs, one at a bookstore and one at an office, and I'm also a part-time student. If you have been here before or you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and it means a lot to me that you would spend a little bit of your day today with me. Today we are doing our Friday fun stuffing and we have $40, no IOUs this week. So that's going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35, 40, and $1 rollover from last week. So let's go ahead and start. Today we are playing Happy Mail and At the Fridge. So let me take out our Happy Mail board. So if this is your first time watching me play Happy Mail, it's basically just a board and we just go around until we reach the post office. And we have some stamps and some package stamps as well as letter stamps that have a specific amount we've listed out. I've listed my package stamp as $5 and my letter stamps as $2. So let's use my little magnet over here as our placeholder. So let's go ahead and roll. 4. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're on a break. I don't know if that's like a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On a break again. The board is being extremely nice to me today, or the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, we went through an entire 3 turns, one entire day with no cards. Okay. Going 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's a roadblock. And oh, that flew. Traffic is blocked. Ooh, that's definitely relatable. And since it has this, it's going to be a double. All right, so that's pay $2. So it'll be $4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll go ahead and put that right over here. And then we have, oh, yeah, roadblock right there. We'll go ahead and do our next turn. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's a letter. And, ooh, do we want to risk it? Do we want to risk it? Oh. All right, we'll do the stamp. I'm pretty sure that's the stamp. And that's the bear stamp. So that is going to get us $4 because it's $2, but we double it. So that's going to be, oh no, that's the wrong one. 4. I'm just going to combine this. So it should be 4 plus 4 is 8 because I don't have that much change. 5, 6, 7, 8 should be fine. All right. And then now we have 3, 1, 2, and 3 on a break. And 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a package. Ooh, that's a pretty high amount, and it scares me to do that. So we're just going to do 3. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now it's scaring me. I got overconfident again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roadblock. Okay. You stop to get coffee on the way, and that's $2. Okay, I would like to now finish the day. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another roadblock. Traffic lights are out, and that's going to be $4. So that's, let me check. $4 will be 7. So 2 and 5. All right. Please get a 3. Please get a 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's going to be a package. We're just doing one. I wanted to end the day, but I guess we're not going to. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on a break. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a letter. And we're just going to do 2. 1 and 2. Maybe we have change. Yes, we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And let's just get 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a letter. And we're going to get 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's going to be $2. I would just like to end the day, quite honestly. 3, 1, 2, 3. So many roadblocks today. That's $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another roadblock. And that's another $4. So it's 5, 1, 2, 3. All right. Please just be a 3. It doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3. We're done. We're done with Happy Mail. We're now going to go into our at the fridge, and we're probably only going to do one round. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 remaining for at the fridge. All right, so let's go ahead and roll. So for at the fridge, I just roll the die and it tells me which section. Whatever is a circle scratch off is double. Whatever is a rectangle is triple. 6, so that's the drink drawer. 6, so I can choose. We're gonna do $2. Ooh, I can roll another one. And this is off. All right, where did it go? 1, which is going to be the freezer. Oops. All right. What? 1. We already did 1, so I will choose $4 for ice cream. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We only have $2 left. Do we want to gamble or not? Let's see what's left. It's a lot of scratch offs. Okay, we're not gonna gamble. So it's just going to be 2 turns for at the fridge today. All right, we have $2 rollover. Let's go ahead and count at the fridge. So we saved $4 from the freezer section and $2 from the drink drawer. So that's going to be $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then for Happy Mail, which gave us the idea that it will be an easy day, and of course it's not, we saved 4, 8, 10, 13, 15, 16, 20, 22, 26, 33. So we should have saved 33. Let's check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 33. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. Yep, $33 for Happy Meal. This is definitely going to need some condensing soon, but that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun, or had fun at least stressing with me. If you had fun or if you like this video, please make sure you leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.